In this VidStream Pro review, I'm going to be showing you a video hosting software that's going to allow you to host HD, 4K, even 360-degree videos on your own platform, and it even creates video landing pages that you can use to sell products and courses. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, and even how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out VidStream Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of really good bonuses here. All these bonuses are going to be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, launch only Granddaddy offer, the only HD 4K 360 video hosting app with personalized landing pages and piracy protection. Host your own video channel, sell courses, and much, much more. This is an app for people that are sick of paying high fees to places like Wistia or Vimeo, or if you've got like your videos on YouTube and you're not building a YouTube brand, if you're not building a YouTube channel and trying to get people to like and subscribe like I do, then you don't need to have your videos on YouTube. There's actually a lot of different distractions. This has recording apps in it, so you can record videos, transcribing, subtitling, transcoding, video hosting, page builder right inside. It even inside of this allows you to make it so that you're not going to have all those like links on your videos as well. And you don't have to worry about having like your bandwidth restricted or any like all those limitations on your videos as well. Look at this on YouTube. You've seen this, I'm sure, where you like pause a video and all these different links come up. They're essentially trying to get your traffic onto YouTube so they can steal your traffic away from you. Sure, they let you host for free, but they take your traffic away. With this, you have a nice clean player that you can use full screen, mini player, settings, mute, play bar, rewind, play with things like chapters, transcriptions, playlists, channels, domain control. You can actually select the domains that people can put your videos on. Email embeds, so you can actually put in, you can allow you to share an animated GIF that plays your video when people click on it inside of their emails, which is kind of cool. AirPlay and Chromecast, easy video imports, and analytics. So essentially you just upload, record, upload, or import your video, customize it, and then you can publish it and share it anywhere you want. You've got all these different things that you can select from here. Stream your videos, direct your websites and different pages, so you can embed them anywhere you want to. Play any video file using VidStream Pro Player directly from cloud, YouTube, S3, Wistia, all these different things here inside of your account. Personalized channels, instant landing pages, which I thought was pretty cool. It allows you to turn any video into your own landing page with it. So that's kind of cool. Multi-thumbnail tool, all these different things that you can do inside of this software and have full control of your videos. And again, if you're using, you can even do like country blocking if you don't want people coming from a certain country, anti-piracy to stop people from stealing your videos, watermarking on your videos, anti-sharing if you don't want people to share, if you've got like a membership site or something. And of course, I'm going to show you this all in action in a second here. So let me kind of scroll down. I'll let you look at most of this on your own time. But there are three options on the sales page here. There's the starter, the pro, and the premium. With this, the best value one here is the looks like the pro plan for this. So if you want to get all this here, you can get it for either it's a one-time price of $97. You can get one for monthly if you want. It's a little lower, but you're paying monthly. I would personally go for a one-time. And there's a discount code. Make sure right now it's Stream20 to get a $20 off discount, but of course that's going to change depending upon when you come to the sales page. That's that one. There's also going to be a bundle discount that I'm going to show you in a second. That's if you click this little purple button on my bonus page. That will take you over to a bundle where you can get all the different OTOs and upgrades together with the front end offer, the offer you see on the sales page at a discounted price here. So I'm going to go and play you a video really quick. I'll come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and that bundle discount.
Welcome to the VidStream Pro demo. Just want to show you around the dashboard and all the menu options and give you a quick insight as to what this platform does. So firstly, this is not just a video hosting platform. It allows you to build your own courses, build landing pages, and of course, build your own channels. So the first thing you'll do in VidStream Pro is upload your videos. Obviously, you can do this via here. You can also import your videos there. We can record videos if you like, just through this button over here. And Also, you can do it via this menu here. Once you've done that, go straight into videos and you will see your videos show up. You can also upload your videos from Amazon S3, Google Drive, OneDrive, pretty much any kind of cloud storage. If you click any video, you're going to go straight into the video options screen, where you'll see two menus. The first one's going to allow you to go and share your iframe or a direct link to the video, as you can see here. And in this menu, you can set all your appearance, visibility, privacy options, thumbnails, any marketing options that you may have paid with the marketing pack. Now, these options are really straightforward. I'm not going to show you all of these, but let's take a look at one of those. Calls to action. This is where you can insert an overlay on the video itself and add a text object, as you can see here. Also, you can change that to an image. You can also add your own HTML, so if you've got your own buttons, your own buy links from shopping carts, you can do that right here. I'm going to play around with the text side. So you can see a text appears here. You can add a button straight there. That's your call to action. You can also put your links in there. You can change the button colors, text colors. And you can also set that to go at a specific time. Okay, I'm now going to go to the video listings menu, show you a little bit more in there, which I didn't show you before. Here you have a hamburger menu with a load more options for transcoding. You can share your videos through here. You can download. You can delete your videos. I'm actually going to go to the landing page option. So this is the landing page feature. Now, we built this specifically for speed. The idea is that you can throw up landing pages really fast, and if you have an offer that's going or expiring, or if you're an affiliate marketer, want to promote something, normally you would need to build the page in a page builder, and most of you know how long that takes. So let me show you around. Firstly, you can change logo right here, and it will change this logo right here to your own brand. Secondly, you can add in your navbar items. Let's go and put one in. Let's put support. And if I click preview, you can see there's a link right here. That's one of your menus. And again, you can add more menu entries as you wish. Let's go and put a heading in. And I've got one which I prepared earlier. And let's do something with this. So obviously right now it's not centered, it's not big. So we're going to mess around with this. Let's make that a lot bigger. Liven it up a little bit, make it a bit more into a heading. Let's make it bold. Let's go and highlight something. Okay, let's make something reverse. Make that text white. So you can see you can create a pretty nice heading very quickly. Okay, let's add a subheading. Let's make that a bit bigger. Let's center it. So really simple stuff. Again, you can add text underneath this option here if you want to. You can also enable and disable comments and related videos just below here. By clicking this tab, I wouldn't have those on a sales landing page, but I might want to choose that on a general discussion landing page. So underneath here, you have a subheading which you can add right underneath the video. I'm not going to do that. It's the same thing as what we've just seen a second ago. Let's show you a button. Let's put a button in. So get this deal. Okay, let's stick a link in. Well, it's orange already, so I'll keep that orange. Keep it at 36, centered. So preview. I also have the option to add metadata, which is your page titles and descriptions for your SEO. You can also mess around here if you want to go and add a background image or a color. So a quick look here. There you go, I can change that. And all you need to do afterwards is publish. So in less than a minute, I can create a very quick landing page offer. And that link here is what you would share for your subscribers. And by the time this goes live, you will be able to add in your own HTML buttons and customize the page even further. So let's take a look around more functions of VidStream Pro. Now, as you can see underneath here, we have collections, and these are just playlists that you can string together. So you can actually, as well as sharing a video, you can share a playlist of videos. And I can create a playlist right here. And it's very simple to do. Just call it whatever you like. So I'll just call it a test. Select which videos you want in the playlist from the ones you've uploaded or created, and you can share the whole playlist as you did before using the iframe here, or direct link if you like. There's an option for that. Underneath here we have this thing called stream. This is a pseudo streaming option where you can create what will look like to the user a live stream video. It's not actually a live stream video, it will appear live. You can record videos here for your lives as well. You can do screen recording with your cameras or your desktop if you like. And right under here we have all sorts of tools to help you create thumbnails. And here you can search through millions of royalty-free images. So let's do that and see what happens. You just select an image to customize. and you'll end up in the video thumbnail creator. And you've got loads of tools available for you. You can create block objects like I'm just going to do here. You can add in your own text, as I'm going to do here. I'm going to go and change that block to a filled block. I'm going to take the stroke out. I'm going to go and move that text. I can double click and edit that as I want, so I can twist it and position it as I want to, the usual way, usual size options that you'll get. You've got loads of other options to play with. You can grayscale the image if you want to. You can stick a tint in, so let's do that. Oh, that's horrible. You can change the color of the tint if that's what you want, just to help you create a nice looking thumbnail. Okay, let's check out more options under tools. You can see we also have something called text to speech, which is going to allow you to convert all your text into voice, and we have a whole collection of voices that it will translate the text to. And we have a screen to GIF option, which is going to allow you to make animated GIF thumbnails. On the team side, if you've selected the teams options, in other words, extra team members within your plan, this is where you manage your teams, create members. Right under here is another option which is super sexy. It's called courses. You can also access your landing pages through this menu too. But let's check out courses. Now you can create a course by adding courses. And this is going to allow you to create a playlist for the course itself. So just select your videos. So pick whatever videos you like for the course. I'm not going to do that because I actually created one, so I'm going to show you around that one. And simply you just put a course name. Once you've done that, you will have a menu item like this, which is going to allow you to customize the course. And very similar to what we did with the page builder, you can change the logos, you can add navbar items, so you can personalize this exactly as you'd expect. And you'll also be able to add your own headings, just as before, so there's nothing new here. And you can add text underneath the video, if that's what you want. You can also add buttons underneath, by the way. If you just scroll down a little bit here, you should be able to go and see one here. Subscribe to the course. By the way, it's not a subscription button. This is just a button that we've created, so it might be confusing. So it's whatever button you like. Just call it button. Don't really want that centered there. I might want it centered left, so the button will be here. Right, it's certainly not that big, so let's make it smaller. Underneath there, you'll see all the items we saw before, which is metadata and page layouts, which is going to allow you to go and change the backgrounds. And you can also set your password for this particular course. Once you've finished, you can publish this and you will have a course link below. Okay, let me show you around some more stuff. So we also have analytics, as you would expect with a full-featured video hosting platform, where you can go and select the period of time, and that's going to start showing you all your analytics for the individual videos. We have engagement as well, and how much bandwidth you're using. So this gives you a nice overview of pretty much everything you need. Most important thing here, really, you'll be looking at your watch time and the average watch time per video, see where people are dropping off. We have leads, so when you purchase the marketing pack, you can select your integrations right here. This enables all your in-video opt-ins. And underneath here, we have something called multilingual videos, which is also English videos. You can create your transcription files right here for your subtitles. And here's where you'd manage your channels and also your agency resellers. Let's take a look at one of those. Very simple to do, by the way. If you've bought the agency reseller pack, you can simply add a client straight here. Just enter their name and email, and they'll be sent access to their plan. So it's a stupidly simple platform to use with crazy big functionality and lots of features that are not available with any other product. So as you can see, this product has a lot more going for it than your average video host. And don't forget, we are a world-class video hosting platform with 120 POP servers, which means your video will play absolutely buffer-free all around the world. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area, what this is going to look like after you purchase. There are multiple upgrades. The first one here says monetize, boost conversions, and capture unlimited leads from within your videos, build email lists, add in video call to actions, and even split tests with this. So this adds a ton of extra features into your account. This is a $97 offer for this one. The next one, you can build course membership areas without expensive monthly platforms. So this one is going to be $97 for this one. The next one, you can extra 100 just buy two extra 100 gig one-time Pro plans and get 28 plans for free to sell as you please. So, all right, so this looks like it's reseller rights for this, where you can actually create them and sell access for this. So there's different options here depending on which one you want. Then they've got another one here, which is a live training session if you want to learn different things of how to use some of the lesser features, how to better customize your calls to action, how to make the most of the landing pages, all these extra things, different opportunities that go along with this. So this one's $197 for this, plus you get an extra storage upgrade. Okay, so that's the OTOs. Now, if you want to skip going through all the OTOs, and again, click on this little purple button, it'll take you over to the bundle discount. You get the software, you get every upgrade, and you get 50% off all their granddaddy deals here. So you get all this stuff here. You get all the different OTOs, the marketing pack, you get the membership pack, you get the agency reseller license and the academy, all these different things here. Normally it would be $835. You get $400 off, and you get an extra $50 off if you use the Stream Bundle discount here for this. And this comes out to be, it looks like $397 with the coupon of $347 for this. So if you know you're going to be getting some of these OTOs, it might be worth it for you to do it like that. It's up to you. Go through the sales funnel, get the bundle. It's your choice. Okay, so what do I like about VidStream Pro and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, like I said before, if you're building a YouTube business, if you got a YouTube channel, then it makes sense to host your videos on YouTube, right? So just be aware that if you're a YouTuber and you're focusing on building a brand, this might not be right for you. What do I like about this? This is a great opportunity for any of you that are doing anything with video, which you should be doing. If you're sick of putting them on platforms that are stealing your traffic, or you're sick of paying all these really expensive hosting fees, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my VidStream Pro review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Thanks.